Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD07. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HD07 isn't running properly, the likely culprit is a faulty cable. This issue can arise from wear and tear over time or accidental damage. If left unaddressed, your vacuum may not function at all, leaving you with a mess to clean up and potentially more extensive repairs down the line. For this repair, you will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a replacement cable compatible with the Dyson HD07, and some electrical tape. To begin, ensure your device is unplugged and lay it on a flat surface. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing of the Dyson HD07. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic clips that hold it in place. Once opened, locate the cable assembly. It is usually connected near the motor. You may find it helpful to take a photo of the wiring before you proceed to ensure you can reconnect everything correctly. Now, gently disconnect the faulty cable from the motor, paying attention to how it is secured. You might need to use the Phillips screwdriver to remove any screws holding it in place. Remember to keep these screws safe as you will need them for reassembly. When removing the cable, be mindful of any nearby components to prevent damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old cable removed, take your new replacement cable and connect it to the motor. Ensure it is secured properly and double-check that the connections match the photo you took earlier. Once everything is connected, it's time to reassemble the Dyson. Carefully fit the casing back together, ensuring all clips are aligned and secure. Finally, plug in your Dyson HD07 and test it to ensure it's running smoothly with the new cable. If you notice any issues, double-check your connections. To prevent this problem from recurring, try to avoid pulling on the cable when using the vacuum. Regularly inspect the cable for any signs of wear and tear and consider storing your vacuum in a way that protects the cable from excessive bending. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.